Oh, there's nothing like homemade flatbreads, and air fryer queen Steph De Souza is here to show us it can be done in the air fryer very easily.
Very, very easily. Quick, easy dough, feta and eggs, delicious breakfast.
Oh, I love the sound of this, and I am certainly peckish. Minimal ingredients too.
Yes, that's my jam. Don't overcomplicate, not too many ingredients.
Great.
So let's start by making the dough, shall we?
Yep.
So we have got some self-raising flour.
Okay.
Here, we're going to start with a cup. So we've got 1 cup of self-raising flour, and then we have some plain yoghurt.
And this is just one of those recipes is foolproof. The self-raising flour and the yoghurt is just this amazing combination that gives you the best bread ever.
Absolutely, and it's a little bit tangy from the yoghurt too, which is awesome.
Love it.
Yeah, so a little bit of salt and pepper in the dough.
Okay.
Just
Some
because
pepper?
we can.
Why not?
Why not? Okay, give it a good mix.
And this is when we can tell really if it needs some more moisture or not. Yep.
Absolutely. I think we are going to need a little bit more. So if you could do that for me, that would be lovely.
Absolutely. It also depends on your flour too, what you use. So knowing the actual texture as opposed to the measurement can sometimes be more important.
Absolutely, yeah.
And you've got a new cookbook out.
I do, and it's called Air Fryer Queen, funnily enough.
How appropriate.
I know.
Because there is that phenomenon out there about the air fryer.
Absolutely. It's got, what I've tried to do in the book is show you how to do things that aren't just reheating chips and pizza. You can actually cook a whole meal or a whole breakfast or whatever in there. So lots of new and exciting things in there for you to try.
Yeah, I love it. And you're giving me the stats before. How many people have an air fryer these days?
2 out of 3 people, 2 out of 3 households have an air fryer, which is pretty amazing, really, when you think about it. All right, so we've got a lovely dough here now. So it's come all together. Just a little bit of a knead, nothing too intense. All right, so we'll take that out of the bowl.
Get that out of
Give
your
you that
way.
one. Fab.
Your sous chef for the day?
Thank you. I might just grab a little bit of flour for the bench. Just so we don't
Absolutely. Sprinkle,
make it
sprinkle.
stick. Yeah, fab, thanks.
There we go.
All right, so we're going to make this into 3.
Okay, there's a knife for you.
Thank you.
So 3 portions.
3 portions, yeah. Okay, so we'll
I'll
just
take
put,
1 too.
Yeah, great.
Work together.
All right.
So rolling first.
I'll just roll it into a little ball and then I just push it out. You can use a rolling pin if you like,
Okay.
but, you know, if you don't have to.
We're going to make them look rustic today.
Absolutely.
And I guess you could make these smaller if you like.
Yeah,
so you can
definitely.
make a bigger batch.
Yeah, you just need enough so you can cover your egg up a little bit.
Okay.
So then we need to add our fillings.
Okay.
So we've got some feta.
Right.
So I like to just break a little bit off and give it a good crumble.
Feta and eggs.
Yeah, yum.
Great
How
combo.
good is feta and eggs? So just make sure there's a little hole in the middle there because you just want it to hold your egg.
Okay.
All right.
1 egg for you,
Yep.
1 egg for me.
Let's crack it into the middle.
Okay.
Nice and carefully. Beautiful.
Oh, mine's running.
Quick, that's right, grab
quick.
it. All right, and then I just fold it up and around.
Okay.
Keeping it all enclosed. Like it's not beautiful, you know, but it's tasty.
Well, Steph, I don't know about that. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and I think these little parcels look fantastic.
Yeah, and once they're lovely and golden brown, they're going to look fabulous and they're going to taste even better.
Great. So they go straight into the air fryer basket.
Into the air fryer basket.
And how long do we cook them for?
About 15 minutes, 220 degrees. Let's get on that.
All right, Steph, shall we have a look?
Yeah, let's go. They look great, don't they?
They look really good. Golden. I like this one here, how a little bit of eggs poking out.
Sneaky pig.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
There we go.
That looks so good. Right, so I like to have it with just a little bit of lemon squeezed on the top when I've cut it open.
Oh, I love the plate. It's just beautiful colours.
Yeah, pops, doesn't it?
Shall we have a look inside?
Yeah, let's have a look.
You do the honours.
Oh, okay. All right, here we go.
Sounds good.
It does, doesn't it? Okay. Do you want to try?
Yes, please.
All right, let's do a little bit of lemon on top.
lemon, feta, egg. Oh,
All the deliciousness.
I want to break this even more because what I love is the yolk.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, perfectly cooked. Oh, it's going to be piping hot.
Yeah, you're going to burn your mouth. It's nice and salty with the feta and the tangy dough, bit of lemon. Perfect breakfast, I think.
It really is a perfect breakfast. I like the idea of making this, wrapping it up in foil, taking it. It'll cool down but still stay nice and warm. And it's one of those breakfasts you can eat on the road.
Absolutely.
Great idea, Steph. Thank you.
Thank you.